Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Microsoft Bing Image Creator. It is very interesting guys, very useful. You will be able to create amazing designs as you can see over here. These particular images are simply powered by Dalio 3, which as you may have guessed is extremely powerful. Very important, first thing you want to click over here, join and create. You want to create after you sign in, right, with your account. In our example over here guys, we are going to create something unique. We are going to create a city in the middle of the ocean that is looking like New York City. Well guys, now we are waiting to see what will be the result over here. Very interesting. It is easy to use. You don't have to have a specific particular knowledge, or you don't have to be a designer or creator. You can just use your imagination. It usually takes a while, but it depends on the traffic, depends how many people are using it. If you can see over here what has been given here as an idea, as inspiration, if you can see there's an astronaut, right, that is not actually in the space. It looks like he's floating somewhere else. Okay. Oh wow, just look at this. Look at what we created over here guys. If you click on one of these images, right, you're gonna essentially have this amazing creation. So guys, what we can do this, first of all, you can click share, right? You can share this to a website. You can share, you can copy the link, you can put the link inside your blog post. You can come over here on the plus sign that you see over here. You can essentially save this into your images because you have a collection, right? Usually people create collections. Or you can click on the three dots over here and simply click download. This is simply unbelievable. As you can see, the quality of it is saved in 262 kilobytes. So it is not a large format, right? So you click over here, you click download, and then you simply download it, okay? This is how simple it is. So if you look at the other images, so if we close down, we can look at, wow, look at this image guys. This is simply unbelievable. Just think about how you can utilize this in your own world. Just, you see, we have two statues of liberty, right? You have multiple crossing bridges. It's absolutely stunning, and this has just been generated and created from like I said, just one simple prompt. Look at this. So guys, this is how simple it is. If you want to change something, right, you can click on the text underneath and you can essentially add to your previous prompt. For example, if you want to come over here, you can simply create and you can add more to the items. The more important part over here is that you have this small lightning on the side. So this might essentially means that creating images more quickly with boost, that will essentially help you to speed up the whole process, right? This is kind of an upgrade. So essentially you can utilize many functions, but this is simply mind-blowing guys. For more tips and tricks like this, subscribe and come back for more.